Got one. Oh gosh.
Hey guys, Frank here with Riverside Bass. Today we are bringing you a video on kind of urban bass fishing. We're going to pond hop about 5 or 6 different places. Should be a really good time. I got a kid with me that is part of our fishing camp up in Pennsylvania. So he was coming down to Delaware for a vacation and decided to join us on a little fishing trip. So we're going to see what we can get. Going to do some BFS fishing and some ultralight fishing to try to get a few nice sized fish out of these pressured ponds. All right, so we got 3 rods with us today. These are pretty much my go-to urban pond setups. My first rod here is a Megabass P5 Destroyer. This is a medium light action rod. I got it with a 8-pound braid, a 1000 Daiwa ballistic reel, and we got a Japanese Raid little micro jig on there. Next up is a rod that I built. It's a light action 6'10" with 4-pound braid, and this is actually straight braid with a little rooster tail on it. Another 1000 Daiwa reel. And last but not least is a BFS rod. Right now we got a swim bait with a Okashira screw head. Again, this has got 10-pound braid on it with a 6-pound fluoro leader. So we're gonna see what we can get on this little urban pond. A lot of scum, so I'm probably gonna switch to a frog. I can hear them making noise and everything. But for right now, we're just gonna go out, just try to get out in the middle of this little rock wall and throw around probably the jig to start. Maybe the swim bait. Yeah, I think I'll go with the swim bait first. Water's, even though it's the stained color, oh goodness. Terrible first cast. Right into the scum. Water's actually pretty clear. I can see all the way down to the bottom. A little bit stained in color, but overall it's pretty nice. Tons of bluegill. First, second cast. Oh, quick release. Not a bad first fish on the BFS rod. I actually saw him coming after it, and I actually just stopped the bait, twitched it twice, and then he ate it. You got one? Yeah. Look at that. Did you hear that fish? It's like inside the grass over there. Going with the frog. Oh, I should have came over here. Whole lot easier to cast. Shallow urban ponds. All right, well, we'll go till we see poison ivy. If I don't see poison ivy, it's either because I'm incredibly lucky or incredibly dumb.
Yeah. Turn me up.
Let's see if anything's.
Yeah.
So the bite that I was hearing was.
Oh, got one.
I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up. Been a long, long time coming, but I'm on the way up. Been a long, long time coming, but I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up.
On the frog. Nothing better than a BFS topwater bite. Nice, healthy fish. Send him back. Again, that was on the little scooper frog. Awesome, awesome little topwater bait. What I was getting ready to explain was the last fish I saw eating topwater was right along the bank here. Not sure if that's how far that guy came out, but he came right for it.
There's another one. Oh my goodness. Yes.
Heck yes.
Oh, come on, get unstuck. There we go. Come on, buddy. These vines are a pain in the butt. Nice. I mean, look at how fat this fish is.
You lose one.
I mean, that fish is literally 2 inches thick and literally weighs a pound, and it might be 10 inches.
Was it worth the poison ivy? I'd say yes. At this point, I'd say yes. 2 fish in back-to-back casts. Let's see if we can make it 3.
All right, we'll start walking back. We got one more pond we're gonna fish. Go have some dinner, then we'll reconvene on if he wants to keep fishing or not. Oh, there's some poison ivy. So I'm sure that'll be fun in a couple days.
Was that a turtle? No, that's a fish. It's gotta be a fish, right? What is that? Oh, Sawyer.
Oh gosh, I don't want to get bit.
You do have pliers? Okay.
Turtle today.
Man, the way that wake was, I was like, oh, he's got the big
Yeah.
10-pounder.
That's what I thought.
Well, sorry, pal. You killed him.
I'd not kill him.
Who cares?
There's gotta be somebody in here somewhere. I still can't believe how fat that one fish was.
Oh, there's one. Oh,
That's what I get for trying to do it one-handed. There we go. Mr. Dinky. Can't even hold on to my fish. Wasn't even paying attention when this guy bit. Let's see if I can get this. Thanks, bud. Biggest thing you kind of have to accept when urban fishing is you might not catch big ones. Ooh, just missed a bite. I want to go fish that back corner in the shade. Oh, just missed another one. Again, wasn't paying attention. Kind of came up and just quietly sucked it in. What's really cool about this frog, see if you guys can see it. So it's just got these 2 little rubber legs that just kick on it. Looks hyper realistic. A lot of guys will actually fish it with a small split shot or like a really, really lightweight. If you can find like a 32nd ounce drop shot weight, put it on the nose and actually fish it subsurface. But how can you say no to topwater frogs? And topwater BFS frogs at that. Oh, just had a bite. Right now it's like subsurface underwater.
there we go. Got him.
Another dink. Probably the hardest thing that I struggle with as a fisherman is holding on to fish. It's about 2/3 of fishing.
All right, let's risk a wet drive home. Yeah. Okay. Well. Oh, I got the strongest freaking... There we go. Goodness. Okay. Ow. That was lovely for my shin. Hope it was worth it. There we go. It's a monster! Tell you what though, as tiny as these bass are, this might be as big as they get in this pond. Look at the big gut. That's why I say if these fish had like 5 foot deep water to swim in, they probably would be 4-pounders. Because obviously the forage is there. Another dinky fish. Oh gosh. Hold on, bud. It's a monster. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it. Turtle head, 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 turtle. Well, that might be where we end this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. We're going to keep building the channel. We're going to keep doing new techniques, lessons, rod building, lure making, how to break down tiny urban ponds like this, urban creeks. We're going to be doing some, we're going to attempt BFS snakehead fishing next week. We'll see how that goes. All right, just because, oh, I literally cast this on a fish. Oh, and I lost him because I yanked him out. Hey fish, what you say fish? I've been looking at you and trying to get you to bite fish. Come on. Ow.